Hello friends, today's topic: will this budget hike long-term capital gains tax on stocks? I am Dr. Bharath. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Just like in the past, once again there are reports that the government could hike tax rate on capital gains from the stock market in the upcoming budget. Year by year, the government requires more money for development and welfare activities. Since they are not able to increase the number of people paying tax, they will have to increase tax on the people who are already paying various taxes. As per official and experts, the capital gains rule for various assets are complicated in India and there is a need to simplify. The government is also considering to reduce the holding period for real estate as 12 months for long-term capital gains. Currently it is considered long-term, the period is sold after 2 years. By reducing the period, it can collect more tax since most properties are held for 1 year but may not be held for 2 years. The initial idea of collecting securities transaction tax, also called as STT, for stock market transactions was because there was no long-term capital gains tax in stock markets. However, later the government started charging 10% tax on capital gains for long-term and STT also continued. One of the proposals is to increase the tax on long-term capital gains from stock markets. Currently, below is the tax on stock market gains. Category short-term capital gains, profit from stock market made within 1 year, 15%. Long-term capital gains, profit from stock market which is booked after 1 year, 10% after 1 lakh profit. Real estate less than 2 years as per income tax slabs 10 or 20 or 30%. Real estate more than 2 years 20% with benefit of indexation. Bank FD interest as per income tax 10 or 20 or 30%. Until April 2019, there was no capital gains tax on long-term holding in stock markets. Currently, long-term capital gains on stocks held for more than a year is taxed at 10% on profits above the threshold of 1 lakh. If you notice, the tax is higher for capital gains on real estate and gold investments. Also, the holding period to classify as long-term or short-term different for different assets such as stocks, real estate and gold. According to the proposal to increase taxes and simplify taxes, the government philosophy is that passive income earned from long-term holdings in stock market should not be taxed at a lower rate. The government has observed that long-term capital gains are taxed in many countries at 25 to 30% range or as per the income tax slabs. It almost looks like government assumes that the risk taken by the FD holder and stock market investor is the same. FD is risk-free and gives guaranteed interest and hence taxed as per income tax slab. Stock market investing is more like a business which involves taking sufficient risks and there is high chance of loss. Hence, imposing higher tax is illogical. As per latest available statistics of the Income Tax Department for the year 2023-24, only around 8 crore people have filed their IT returns. As per statistics, only 3% of Indians earn income of more than 5 lakhs per annum. Only around 50 lakh individual taxpayers have disclosed income about 10 lakhs. So a very small percentage of the population pay income taxes in India. Only around 5 to 6% of the total Indian population invest in Indian stock markets, hence this is an easy target group. Government may be feeling that such a small number of people will not be able to protest if taxes are increased. Whether it is increased in the budget or not, it will be hiked in the coming years since the government will need more money and this is one way to increase its tax revenue. The tax is hurting the middle class more every year. Let us hope that the tax hike for long-term gains is delayed as much as possible. End of the video, here is a question. Do you think it is logical to tax stock market gains like bank interest? Yes or no, you may type. If you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.